I did it.
Hello and welcome to the Downhill Dad. Today is the preview day video of the Go Nuts Rake and Ride Enduro.
Oh man, this is slippery. I think that's about it. Man, it's so slippery.
Hindsight being 2020 and all, those rocks to the left would have been a great option, but unfortunately, it was just too wet to consider.
Now I gotta figure out where to go.
This one is right to left, so you come down the right side, and then at the orange rock.
I mean, it's just so freaking. Woo! I thought the tape broke, so I was like, I don't know where to go. All right. That wasn't as bad as it looked. Just sit on your rear tire. Well, we'll give it a shot.
Got to meet and ride with a great group of people that we ended up teaming up on race day and climbing up to the top together and supporting each other through the race.
Yeah. I'm gonna hit it when I have some momentum tomorrow.
Oh yeah. I did it. Yeah.
All right, come on.
Hit you.
Nice. Woo!
The part you don't see. But I'm like, it has my back protector in it, so I'm definitely. I'm just stopping over here, thanks.
You see the whole rock section?
Got it.
You got it. Oh, look at that. That's a perfect turn in. You're good. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah.
It's probably a bad idea. Anyway. Yeah. Oh my goodness. You all right? Ah, I see. It's very that. Yeah. You good though?
Yeah.
Okay. You want? Oh. Rider. Like that? Yeah. I don't think that one's bad.
In between the two trees.
Oh really?
Right here where it's all nice and
It comes
clean.
straight or no?
You're good.
They told me I had to come out this way.
Oh, what? That's fine. No, that doesn't bother me at all. I just didn't want to get ran over.
Camped in the 4Runner and it was actually pretty comfortable. I'd recommend it if you're doing a solo night away from your family or if you want to avoid having to pay for a hotel. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I look forward to bringing Stage 2 to the channel shortly.